Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2 of UGC NET examination. For syllabus, you can visit the website ugcnetonline.in. So after putting that command on any browser, you will receive this prompt. This result of University Grants Commission official page. Here you will find paper 1 English and Hindi ones are download of syllabus, and paper 2 as per your choice the download option for syllabus. So in this you can download the syllabus. I will just let you show the actual syllabus of paper 1, which is in this format PDF. Now this is the actual PDF you will receive. Paper code 00 paper 1 unit 1 teaching aptitude with several concepts. Unit 2 research aptitude, research meaning, types, methods of research. Unit 3 comprehension. Unit 4 communication, and unit 5 mathematical reasoning and aptitude. Unit 6 logical reasoning with Indian logic, Venn diagram, pramanas. Unit 7 data interpretation, and unit 8 in ICT, that is information and communication technology. Unit 9 people development and environment. Unit 9 and 10 is little bit vast, it has so many concepts. Unit 10 higher education system. So these are the 10 units of paper 1. As you can see, it is written 5 questions each carrying 2 marks are to be set from each module, but it depends. Sometimes you find more questions from one particular, and sometimes it might differ. So this is the whole syllabus. Now you can download paper 2 syllabus, which I have told you the official website from that itself. In my case, I have labeled legislation paper code 55, but your can be different like commerce, management, philosophy. So if you have labeled legislation paper as an optional, you can proceed with the video. Now let's see paper 2 labeled legislation paper code 55 syllabus from the website. So see, this is the syllabus paper code 55 as it is written here, and unit 1 PPM principles and practices of management, here school of thoughts is there, and functions of management. Unit 2 human resource management, conceptual framework, HRP, etc. Job analysis, recruitment, selection, these things are there. And unit 3 human resource development, HRD, values, HR, accounting, audit. International HRM is also there, where cultural studies, cultural diversity, transactional organization, and unit 4 organizational behavior, which I have told you. You can refer Stephen P. Robbins' book. Will cover all the topics. And now let's come to unit 5, which is industrial relation. It is a very important topic. You must read it very thoroughly. Code of conduct, industrial relation, etc., and trade unions. From this unit onwards, all the units are very, very important. You must read it good, because questions do come from these. Now, unit 6 Industrial Dispute Act, unit 7 Labor Legislation, Factories Act, Mines Act, Contract Labor, Building and Other Construction. Unit 8 Wages, all wages related legislations are there, minimum wages, payment of wages. And unit 9 Labor Welfare, social security. And unit 10 labor market. So this is all the sum of syllabus. Unit 9 10 are easy little bit. This is the actual syllabus of UGC NET 2025. You have understood the books for UGC NET preparation, the syllabus for UGC NET preparation, and you can start your preparation now onwards. If you have any queries, any objection, you can comments below in the comment. And if you find it helpful, you can like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll come next video.